Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with the Great Wave Lego art set. We are on bag number 8, and in the last part we added some kind of textures to it. And yeah, we're just gonna hop right into next bag here. Kind of move that up. Okay, I don't know what to do with that bag. We'll just throw it over there. So we're kind of working in the bottom corner. So I'm gonna move the pieces kind of. Better idea. Okay. Should have had a better plan for this. Okay, we'll move them up here-ish. Okay. Sort of. I'll go ahead and show the step. And it's all outlined in the red, if you can see it. Okay. Actually, we'll go ahead and open this little Gerber Baby Pieces bag. Okay. All right, I think we're set. Start with that one. Okay. Right there. Yep. And then we need this piece here. There we go. I believe that's it for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, okay. All right, next step. Again, outlined in the red there. Kind of go left to right, or attempt to. There it is. And another white one there. But then another one above that. A little blue. Yep, okay, that's that step. Show the next one. What piece do I need? This one, maybe. Yep. Okay, is that just 4 pieces? No, it's not. I need this piece here. go there. Okay. Here's 42. There, we need another blue here. Nope, not there. Here. And then, where are you? Oh, there it is. Okay. You go here, I believe. Then right under that, perfect. Here's one, two, oh, we need a white piece there. Three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. Can't count. Here's the next step. I think it's just 4, 5 pieces down there. Okay. I found that one there, but I need another little 1x2. There it is. Oh, my bad. Okay. Here's the next step. Okay, another one. Okay, so 3 and then a little 1. And I need another little 1x2. That, I think. We need another little triangle. Like that. And then we need another triangle to go in here. All right. Comes the next step. Not that one, but this one. And a 1x4 to go over these. Perfect. Okay. Here's the next step. There's those 2 pieces in the middle there. Right there? Okay, yeah. And then next step. There it is. Okay. Okay, so this goes here. We need this longer boy to go there. Perfect. Go there. What? Okay. Interesting. I think that goes there. Okay. Perfect. There we go. And there's the next step. Might need to move it over a little bit. So I'll kind of lift it up and move these over. Sorry. Okay. We're working on this side now. That there. That there. And we need one of these bigger pieces. Okay. And then still on the same step, just need that and another little quarter circle thing. And this one up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay. So next step, going kind of far up. And that's equal with that. I need this little one to go here. Nope, there we go. That's white. There it is. A little colorblind there. And nope. Yes, I think. Yeah. And then triangles go up it. Is that a triangle? There it is. Okay. Yeah, here. So boom, boom, and to the right, up, 1. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Sorry, just making sure I'm doing everything right. Okay. Yep, shoot. Please. There we go. Nothing goes here. Why is this one in red? I don't know. It doesn't matter. It does matter, but it's fine. Okay, just need a little 3. Go there. 1, 2. We need the 3s to go, or the 4. All right. I think I already put that there in that step. And I just forgot. I don't really know. But next step. We need another circle. There it is. Circle goes there. Is that it? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yep, okay. And next step. Oh, I guess I need to build that first. Okay. Right there. Then right there. And then a white piece. We got another weird squiggle. Please. Go. And another one of these. Pop that in. Okay. I think, yeah. Actually fell in the exact way that I needed it. Okay. And this goes under this one. Perfect. Next step. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to bump the camera. There we go. Okay. So many pieces we have left, by the way. Was it just 4? Yep. And it's tiny steps. Okay, and last step until next bag. Got all that. Okay, starting off with that. Damn it, okay. And 2 down. Oh, please. There we go. It goes on that. We have these 2. And then another one there. And is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I gotta quit dropping stuff. And all right. That was actually a lot for what seemed like not that much in that bag. We do have a few leftover pieces, so I hope I didn't miss anything. But that was bag number 8. If you enjoyed that and want to see more, leave a like and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you.